There are a few ways to create arrays. So using an array literal is the simplest way of doing it, which is you just add opening and closing brackets and then add in strings. This can also take in numbers, objects, and arrays, but we're keeping it simple by adding in strings. This is the simplest way of creating an array. So let's go into the next one, using an array constructor. Which is, and then just like here, we just pass in the values, and you can separate your values using this comma, and then again this is linked to our variable, and then we can just access one of the values inside of this array using its index. That's it. So this is the second way. So I hope you like this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.